up everybody? How you doing tonight? So I had someone say in one of my prior videos saying that I should be also putting these robots through just kind of a ridiculous type stress test to see what's going to make it fail and what won't make it fail. So in this video, it's not necessarily going to be a pickup test to see how much it actually cleans. It's going to be more of a let's see what this guy can handle and what can make it air out. So I went around my house, just grabbed some random stuff that could be on your floors throughout your house, under your couch, whatever, and we'll be able to see what is going to make your robot stop or air out. So I just grabbed a bunch of random stuff, a towel, people could have towels laying around, caps to their soda or beer, coins, Legos, minifigure, bigger figure, another Lego, an earbud, a fork, candy, a cookie, full pretzel sticks, a napkin, and then a charging cable. And then, I don't know why I threw this in here, but just a little airbag. I don't think that'll do anything, but you never know. It might pop it and get caught in the extractor, who knows. So some of you are probably thinking, what a dumb, unrealistic test. Yes, of course you're not going to have all of this laying around, but this is going to tell us what it will avoid by itself, what it won't have any type of problem with. So it might pass every single one of these perfectly fine, but the fork, say, will make it air out, or the earbud, or the quarter, who knows. So it's good. I think it's going to be a good test in the sense we'll be able to see all this different debris, and we'll see which robots can handle it and which one's going to air out. What do you guys think? What do you think on this table would make it air out more than anything? I'm actually thinking either this charging cable or this napkin. So I'm thinking the napkin's going to get sucked up into that roller and then just completely mess it up. But that's the reason why I want to do this. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to go ahead and spread this all around the room. And then I'm going to go to that overhead shot and we will run this guy and I'll let you know if it airs out or if it actually can handle all this different stuff. Alright, along with all this that I'm going to be putting down, I still got the good old big pile of poop, the shoe with the laces out, a chair just to see how it goes around chairs, the tasseled carpet, and then I'm just going to randomly put the stuff around the room and we'll see how it does. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do at all, please smash that like button and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other items you want me to throw down. And you can be honest, if you think this test is kind of pointless, please let me know down in the comments. I want to know if you want to see this with all the other robots or if I'm just wasting my time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy. See ya. Alright, real quick, just wanted to show you where I threw everything, just in case the overhead shot can't see it that great. But napkin, dog poop, bag, towel, Oreo, minifigure, a quarter, a penny, piece of candy, some Lego pieces, a fork, a bottle cap, charging cable, a normal cap, so like a water, bigger Lego piece, some pretzels, a dime, more poop, earbud, the shoe of course, and that's pretty much it for this one. I'm curious to see if any of this will make the robot air out. If not, that would be great. Alright everybody, the 981 is done. Let's see what messed it up, what didn't, and what it left down. And then we'll check out the dirt bin, see exactly what it ate, and see from there. So, let's start with what aired it out. So the shoe and the shoelace aired it out. The towel aired it out. Now the fork didn't give me an error message, but I watched it drive with the fork completely stuck under it for a good minute or two. So I paused it for that and took the fork out because there's no way I was going to get through the rest of this without messing up. Plus with the fork stuck in the rollers, it's going to mess up everything else about this test as well. So those three aired out the machine. Let's see what did not. The Oreo, I guess it wasn't hungry. Both the poop just kind of pushed them around, which kind of expected that because they're just way too big. Surprisingly, the cord did not air it out. I saw it driving around with the cord stuck under it for a little while. So I'm glad to see that that did not air it out. We have the quarter, the nickel, and the penny. I believe the dime got sucked up. So the dime is probably in the dirt bin. Oh wow, it ripped off the hair of the poor Lego girl. So it was not able to get her up. The cap, no problem, just push it around. The bigger figure, just pushed it around as well. Same with the candy. And then some of the Lego pieces are completely missed. So it left a lot of stuff on the floor. I would have thought it would have picked up these small Lego pieces. I thought this candy was possible. And then it missed, you know, some pretzels and stuff. So this test wasn't so much about the pickup ability. Is that a word? Sure. But it was more about what's going to air it out. And what surprised me was the big napkin. I thought that was going to air it out for sure. But as you can see, it just kind of ate it up and spit it out. And then this little airbag was kind of interesting to watch drive around and float around. So let's check out the dirt bin and see what it actually collected. I'm going to flip it over and actually see if there's anything stuck in the rollers, which kind of assuming there will be. Oh, there you go. So you see the napkin actually didn't get sucked up in there. It is stuck in the wheel, which is a good thing to see because a napkin did not stop this from making the wheels turn. And as you can see, I just pulled it right out. Problem solved. So that's good news. So I don't know how long this was going like this, but you can see these cannot turn at all, which means there's a bunch of stuff underneath that's just completely stuck. Let's see what it is. Alright, Lego piece down there fell. So as you can see, the air bud, obviously way too big for that. So it put it down in there and it did not air it out. But as you can see, with that getting stuck in there, your vacuum's almost doing nothing. That's probably why it left the other Lego pieces and didn't really pick up the mess that well. So remember to pick up your earbuds before you vacuum. And let's check out the dirt bin real quick. Oh, it actually got up the Bud Light cap. I'm actually kind of surprised at that. That's a big piece. And I got it stuck in there. Cool. Oh, my God. That actually scared me. Oh, jeez. What'd I do for you guys? Just kidding, I don't mind. So, where's the dime at? This thing stole my money. So I really only picked up the cap, which actually surprises me. I thought these sharp like ridges would mess up something in there, but it sucked that up. Where's my dime? Lego probably would have went in there, but this is probably blocking it. Let's see if I can't find my money. Kidding, obviously. I don't care about a dime, but what the heck is it? I seriously don't see it. Excuse me, ma'am. Have you seen my dime anywhere? No? Then get out of here. Oh, there it is. Okay, so the dime wasn't actually sucked up. So none of the change. I guess they're too heavy and just flat to the ground, which I kind of expected. But this is the first robot I put through this test. And as you see with this iRobot, it uses the rubber rollers. So in the next robot I test, if it has bristles on the roller and the silicone or rubber, it might be a completely different result. So what do you guys think? Do you like this test? Or is it kind of a waste of time? Once again, this is not to see how well it cleans, it's to see what can potentially air out your robot, and that you want to make sure you have cleaned up before you send your robot out. Once again, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did at all, please smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. What does that look like to you? Anyways, have a fantastic night, and I'll see you guys in the next video.